Good morning, children. Yes, yesterday I gave you the formulas. Did you all write it? I asked you to write five times. Yes, now I am going to explain you the sums. See, children, what is a perimeter? Perimeter is the length of the outer boundary. See, if it is a square, this is a square you have, no? A, B, C, D. All this length, E outer boundary perimeter. Inner is known as area, outer part ni perimeter antaru. See, AB is equal to 3 centimeters. This is 3. In square, every time all the sides are equal. We know, no? Square. Now perimeter is equal to how much? Perimeter of a square is equal to sum of all the sides. Yes, perimeter of a square is equal to sum of all the sides. That is nothing but AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. AB enta 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. That is nothing but 3, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12 centimeters. ఇలా అన్నమాట perimeter. Okay, children. Now perimeter of a rectangle you see. Rectangle. This is a rectangle. Okay, this is a rectangle. This the పెద్దగున్న వెడల్పు లాంగ్ ఉన్నది length. And this is known as breadth. Length, breadth. This is breadth, this is length. Okay, children, these two in rectangle, any time opposite sides are equal. ఈ రెండు sides equal, ఈ రెండు sides equal. Okay, what is the formula for rectangle I gave you? 2 into L plus B. చూడు, perimeter ఏంటి? L, B, L, B. రెండు Lలు రెండు Bలు. That is nothing but 2 common. L plus B. వచ్చిన ఆన్సర్ని చూడు, ఇదేంటి ఇప్పుడు 5 సెంటీమీటర్స్, ఇది 2 సెంటీమీటర్స్, ఇది 5, ఇది 2. ఓకే, 2 సెంటీమీటర్స్, ఇది 5 సెంటీమీటర్స్. చిన్న వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్? 2 ఇంటూ L ఎంత? 5. B ఎంత? 2. 5 ప్లస్ 2 7. 2 ఇంటూ 7 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు, ఇట్లా బ్రాకెట్స్ మీన్స్ ఇంటూ చిల్డ్రన్ 14. మనం ఇప్పుడు 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Same. That is nothing but 2 into L plus B. 2 into 5 plus 7. 2 into 7 is nothing but 14 centimeters. అర్థమైందా? Did you all follow the sums, children? Shall we do the sums based on it? Perimeter means whatever sides they gave you, you have to add. Sum of all the sides is perimeter. See now. Come on, open a fresh page and write this bit heading, children. Yes. Find the perimeter of the following. Come on, write this. Put today's date. Put today's date. Day. Okay, children? And write. Find the perimeter. Find the you all no need to write 4th class, children. Find the perimeter. Yes. You should write the heading like this and draw the figure, children. What all figure I am giving you? See. They gave you triangle. Like this. So this is 4.5 centimeters. This is 5.6 centimeters. And this is 7 centimeters. Now what is a perimeter you see? Perimeter is equal to, you are going to add this. 4.5 plus 5.6 plus 7. Yes. ఇక్కడ ఇట్లా వేసుకొని యాడ్ చేయండి. 7 ఏం లేదు కాబట్టి 0. Now you add. 6 plus 5, 11. 4 plus 5, 9. 10, 17. 17.1. Therefore, perimeter is equal to 17.1 centimeters. Did you all follow? Come on, write this. Yes, one more I'll say. I'll say one more, two sums and the three sums. I'll say three sums and three sums are for homework, children. See, one more. B1 I'm saying you all. Seven 4.5 centimeters, 7.5 centimeters, and this is 5.5, ఇది 4.5 centimeters. Okay children, same. ఏం రాయాలి ఇప్పుడు మీరు? పెరిమీటర్ is equal to 7.5, 5.5, 4.5. Yes, centimeters. Answer will also come in centimeters. 5, 10, 15. 5, borrow 1. Carry 1, sorry, not borrow. Point 7, 5, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 plus 1, 17. 17.50. 17.5 centimeters. What is the answer, children? 17.5 centimeters. What answer did you all get? 17.5 centimeters. 1 is not being seen here. ఇక్కడ 1 ఉందమ్మా. 17.5 centimeters. Like this. Now I'll show one more. Yes, and I'll give 3 sums for homework. You see, it is like this. T. Like this. This is 8 centimeters. This is 2 centimeters. And this is 3 centimeters. This is 5 centimeters. This is 2 centimeters. This is again 5 centimeters. This is 3 centimeters. 2 centimeters. Okay children, this is now perimeter is equal to, ఇవన్నీ యాడ్ చేయాలి. Perimeter is equal to, how we are going to add first? 8. ఇక్కడ నుంచి రాద్దాం. 8 centimeters. తర్వాత కింద 2 centimeters. Then 3 centimeters. Then 5. 8 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2, 5, 3, 2. 2, 5, 3, 2. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Perimeter is equal to, rough column లో యాడ్ చేయండి అమ్మా అన్ని ఒకసారి వేసి. Perimeter is equal to 30 centimeters. Okay children, like this. ऐसा रफ कॉलम में पूरे एक साथ डाल के ऐड करो. 8, 2, 3, 5, 2, 5, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 20, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30 centimeters. ये रफ कॉलम में लिखो, रफ कॉलम. Followed? Did you all copy this? Shall I give homework sums? Shall I give homework sums now? See, the other side I'll give homework sums. Come on, copy them. 3 sums for homework, children. Yes. D1 3.6 centimeters. 3.6 centimeters. 3.6 centimeters. Okay, solve this. E1 ఏంటి? 7.2 7.2 3.6, 3.6. Okay, F1 children. F1 is like this. It is the 3, the 2.5, and this is also 4.5, and this is 5 centimeters, and this is 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and this is, wait, centimeters, and this is 3.5 centimeters. Yes, these 3 sums తెలుసు కదా, ఇవన్నిటిని ఒక దగ్గర వేసి పెరిమీటర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు అని చెప్పి యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, with this we have completed our chapter children. Only perimeter sums we have. Yes, we have some more sums. I forgot to say area sums. Yes, after this you copy this 3. I am going to explain area. Yes, did you all copy? Yes. Now in the fresh page area you write area. Perimeter అయిపోయింది కదా, area. Yes, now you see, find the area of a rectangle. Find the area of a rectangle. Rectangle area formula ఏంటమ్మా? What is the formula for rectangle? L into B. Yes, L into B. See, A1 length is equal to 3 centimeters. Breadth is equal to 5 centimeters. Okay children, solution. Area of a rectangle is equal to area of a rectangle. Formula ఏంటి? Area of a rectangle is equal to L into B. L ఎంత ఇప్పుడు మనకి? 3 into 5. 3 5 15 సెంటీమీటర్. ఇక్కడ సెంటీమీటర్, ఇక్కడ సెంటీమీటర్ కదా, 2 సెంటీమీటర్ స్క్వేర్. సెంటీమీటర్ స్క్వేర్ అని రాయాలి. ఓకేనా? Yes, shall I show one more? One more you see now. B1 length is equal to length is equal to 30 meters. I'll write up on it children, you can't see here again. B1 I am writing.